Hello friends, let's make a cow with shapes. We will need circles, ovals, rectangles, and triangles for making the cow. Let's get started. First, let's attach the two circles representing the head and body of the cow. Okay, let's move the oval shape, which is the mouth. Next, let's put in the nose. Those two tiny black circles. Let's fix the eyes now. Next, let's move the oval shapes to make ears for the cow. Fix both the ears. Time to move the two triangles. Good. Let's give the cow a tail, which is nothing but a rectangle with a triangle attached to it. Let's give the cow legs now. Wow, our cute cow is now ready. Let's make an easy pig using only circle shapes. Let's put the head with the body. Next, let's give it a mouth. Let's fix two circles as it legs. Let's give it blue-colored eyes. Wow, looks good. Let's put the nose. Let's attach the ears now. Our cute pig is ready. Next, let's make a dog with shapes. Let's attach the ears first. Let's put the nose next. Next, put the circle-shaped eyes. And final touches. There we go, our cute dog is ready. Let's make a duck now. Assemble the shapes to make head, body, and mouth. Let's put the wings. Attach the eyes. Let's attach the feet. Quack Quack Duck is ready. Kids, let's make a sheep now. Make a cloud for body and head. Next, let's put the shapes together. Attach the legs. Hope you liked the video. Do try it home. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe if you like the content. See you soon. Today we will make a cute little baby elephant using shapes. What is a baby elephant called? Yes, it's called a calf. Let's get started. First, draw a circle like this. This will be the elephant's body. Next, draw another circle on top of the existing circle to represent the elephant's head. Let's draw the ear using another circle. Draw the second ear to using circle. Let's give some final touches to the ear. Draw a circle inside the circle as shown here. Good going, kids! Isn't it easy? Now let's add circles to make eyes for our elephant. Draw simple lines to represent the hair of the elephant. Let's add the nose of the elephant. It's called trunk. Here we make use of rectangles to make the trunk. Let's give it some final touches by adding a heart at the end. Let's add the tusks of the elephant. This is made using triangle. Time to add the leg of the elephant. This is made using rectangle. Add two rectangles to make legs. Let's give the toes to the elephant, which is made using ovals. Add them one by one to the leg. We have almost reached the final portion. Let's give the elephant a tail. This tail is made of a rectangle and a triangle. Wow, our cute elephant is ready. Kids, do try to make one by yourself. You can improve by adding more features and changing the colors. If you like such content, please do like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Come, let's make a cute monkey using shapes. Let's make the face first. Follow me as we will use circles to complete the face. Okay, let's complete the head portion and we will use circles again. Use circles to make ears. Let's add another circle to make monkey's body portion. Let's make the hands and feet. We have used heart shapes for hand and ovals to complete the feet. Let's make the eyes. We will use circles to make eyes. Follow me as we draw together. Use semicircle or a half circle to make the eyelids. Let's draw the nose next. Use shapes you like. Let's add the mouth using a semicircle. Let's add teeth for the monkey. Well, our cute little monkey is almost ready. Let's give some final touches. Don't forget to make one by yourself and share with everyone. Thanks for watching. Let's draw a cute, simple cat like this using shapes. First, let's draw a circle. Next, let's add the triangles as ears. Let's complete the ears by giving some final touches. Good, let's add eyes. Use circles to draw the eyes. Draw nose using a triangle now. Our cute little cat is almost ready. Let's add a smile and whiskers for the cat. Awesome! Now let's start coloring the cat. Use your favorite colors. And there we go. Friends, do try to make this super easy cat by yourself and also try to improve. Don't forget to share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Bye. Draw a ladybird, also known as ladybug or lady beetle. Let's start with a circle. Follow me as we draw the cute ladybird. Let's add the head portion now. Let's make eyes using circles. Let's add the design spots for the ladybird. The ladybirds come in many different colors and patterns. We will make the commonly seen one, which is red in color. Complete the dotted patterns, and now let's add colors to the ladybird. Ladybirds are liked by farmers as they eat the plant-eating insects. Well, our cute ladybird is now ready. Come, let's make a cute fish with shapes. Let's put the eyes into the body. Now let's attach the fins. Let's give it a mouth. There we go. A cute, simple fish with shapes. Do try to make one. Let's make a cute rabbit now. Let's give it a face. Drop in the eyes. Let's attach the ears now. Put the mouth. Attach the face to its body. Let's attach the arms and legs now. Final touches, and there we go. A cute rabbit. Wow!